All right, I think this is video 3 of the parking brake diesel pusher off Allison transmission driveline. But it's a disc brake caliper. And I showed you the air actuator was working, applying and unapplying, or releasing and applying. So around, I had to get this piston further in. So you have to take this mechanism off, and that is, hold on here. Put you on pause. Okay, so you have 8 millimeters Allen's. That's a 3/8 drive. You take it off of there, right there, because this is all the way out. All right, so I pushed the piston in. I took this out. I'm going to show you the mechanism. There's a clock position and all that, and you can re-index it right there with these teeth. We don't have to do that. What it is you take this little tool, which is a 3/8, right? And you put it in here, and you're going to push on it, okay? It's spring loaded. Let me see if I can get that for you. Let's see. Ready? See right there it is? Now look, push it in. All right. And then you turn. If you see how far that one's out, you turn it. So you turn it counterclockwise, the opposite way of the clock. All right, so we'll try to do that. I'll put it over here. Get you a close-up. Oh, there we go. All right, so it's sticking out. I'm going to push the tool in and rotate, 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 rotate. Counterclockwise. All right, so I'll show you. You can get it the opposite way. The opposite way the clock does. You got to push while it's going in. All right, so put you on pause. I'm going to get it all the way in. All right, if you see it, that part that pushes on the piston, here's the piston. There's where it pushes up against. And every time this lever comes this way, watch. See, it ratchets. See, it's pushing it out now. So I'm going to pull it back in. And that's how you do it. So you need these tools, right, to get it out. We're going to get some new brake pads because this is parking brake. They're wore out. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostic. What an inline. This is a C12 425. It's a Panther 425. I forgot the name of the coach. Here, we'll go look at it. It's the people that bought out Beaver. All right, and it's a Continental. That's not who makes it, though. Shucks. See? I forgot that darn quick. Man, it's all right. Yeah, I did forget. There you go. So, the whole thing was to show you this caliber on this brake caliber manual. This has no hydraulic and no air. It had the air actuator that I showed you that went in and out, I believe, on video 1. Thank you. Thank you very much. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics.